Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a simple and beautiful textured beanie. This pattern is available in 3 sizes. In this video I will be working on size adult, but you can find a written pattern including 2 other kids sizes on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this beanie you will need 3 balls of Katia Prime Merino and crochet hook size 8 mm. We will crochet with 2 strands held together and we make a slip knot. And make sure to leave a long tail end for seaming later. We will start by making 34 chains. In row 1, we will work a half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, and each chain till the end. At the end we work a slip stitch in the last 2 chains. And we turn our work. In row 2 we will chain 1 and work a slip stitch in the first 2 slip stitches in the back loop only. Then we continue with a back loop only half double crochet in each stitch till the end. And that's basically it. All you have to do now is work a back loop only slip stitch in each slip stitch and a back loop only half double crochet in each half double crochet. Repeat this until you have a total of 33 rows. Now fold your rectangle in half and your long tail end should be on the right side. And optionally you can add some rows to make your beanie looser. Work the 2 sides together with slip stitches, and we will do this by inserting the hook in the front loop of the half double crochet, which is the loop facing you, and in the chain. Now slip stitch and repeat this till the end. Fasten off, weave in all the ends and fold the beanie inside out. Now use a needle to close the top of your head and I will quickly show you how to do this. secure by adding a few extra stitches, and that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!